Good evening, students. How are you all? Yes, I'm fine over here. Yes, I'm doing good. For the last lecture, I've given the homework. Everyone has done the homework. Assignment sums में से मैंने कुछ sums दिए थे. नहीं किया तुम लोग? Tell me the answer, bro. For first sum, bro. Missing value वाला sum दिया था मैंने homework में. Correct. How many sums were being given for the homework, bro? अच्छा, formulas दिए थे. ओके, सब लोग बड़ा होमवर्क ग्रुप में सबमिट कर देना सब लोग. तुम्हारा जो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप है ना, बड़ा सीए फाउंडेशन का. चलो, after completing, bro. The major averages, bro. We are going to start with the sum. Sorry, we are going to start with a new term which is called to be as minor averages. Minor averages. So, write down the heading to be as minor averages. Minor averages. चलो बड़ा फटाफट मुझे बताओ. What are the examples of minor averages? Examples of minor averages. Yeah. Minor averages would, and there are two examples would, which comes under the minor averages would. One which is called to be as a geometric mean would, and other would it is called to be as the harmonic mean would. In that case, let me start with the first type of minor average, which is called to be as geometric geometric mean. And in bracket, but you can write down GM. GM, it stands for a geometric mean. And now again, depending upon the types of data, let me start with the different formulas. Different formulas. So let's write down the first A, which has been called to be as raw data. Raw data, it is also called to be as individual observation data, or it is being called to be as ungroup data. And when we talk about the general form of a raw data, so in that we know that x is a variable taking the values like x1, x2, x3, xn. Then we call such type of data to be as a raw data. We call such type of data to be as a raw data. So with respect to the raw data, with respect to the raw data, geometric mean geometric mean is equal to geometric mean is equal to complete nth root of that is complete nth root of x1 into x2 into continue into x3 dot and will continue till xn nth root of x1 into x2 into x3 into xn. The formula is completely inside the nth root. It is the nth root of or forward. The same formula it can also be written as the same formula It can also be written as the geometric mean is equal to, अब हो सकता है ना बेटा कि किसी किसी स्टूडेंट को बेटा रूट साइन से बेटा एलर्जी हो, मान लो कोई बच्चा बेटा डर जाए, जीत करने लगे बेटा, रोने लगे और कहने लगे नहीं सर नहीं, हम लोग को सिंपल फॉर्मूला चाहिए, तो हो सकता है बेटा सिंपल फॉर्मूला इट कैन बी रिटन एज x1 into x3 into dot xn, the whole raised to 1 by n, the whole raised to 1 by n. चलो रेडी हो सब लोग? Both the formulas they are exactly one or the same. They are exactly one or the same. कोई भी फॉर्मूला यूज करो, कोई आंसर इज गोइंग टू कम एग्जैक्टली वन और द सेम. यहाँ पे तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए कि nth रूट को ही ऑल्टरनेटिवली लिखने का दूसरा तरीका है होल रेज टू 1 by n है बेटा. इट इज ऑल एग्जैक्टली वन और द सेम. My 12th standard students, they might be knowing that in mathematics we have said that if the sum is comprising of the square root, the square root can also be written as the whole raised to 1 by 2. Cube root, it can be written as whole raised to 1 by 3. Fourth root, it can be written as whole raised to 1 by 4. Like that, nth root, it can also be written as the whole raised to 1 by n. So here, after knowing this formulas of geometric mean, and it is compulsory that we should know something about a geometric mean. Since for the first time in our lifespan, we are going to speak about this new average, which is being called to be as a geometric mean. So in that case, we should know, yes, sir, what is this geometric mean? Here,
पढ़ाई के लिए मेहनत तो सब करते हैं, लेकिन स्मार्ट स्टडी कौन करता है? प्री एग्जाम ऐप के साथ बनाइए अपनी तैयारी सुपर स्मार्ट. प्री एग्जाम ऐप देता है वाइड रेंज के एग्जाम्स की तैयारी, जैसे जी, नीट, कैट, सीए फाउंडेशन, सीएस सीट, बैंकिंग, रेलवे, एसएससी, एमबीए एंट्रेंस, एसवाईजेसी, कॉम, टीवाईबी कॉम और भी बहुत कुछ. चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट्स एंड मॉक टेस्ट्स, डिटेल्ड परफॉर्मेंस एनालिसिस, और अब तैयारी होगी एकदम परफेक्ट. कहीं भी कभी भी पढ़ाई करें और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक आपकी तैयारी को बनाए आसान. इंस्टेंट इवैल्यूएशन से तुरंत जानिए अपनी परफॉर्मेंस और पाएं पर्सनलाइज्ड फीडबैक. तो अब देरी किस बात की? प्री एग्जाम ऐप डाउनलोड करें और अपने नाम से रजिस्टर्ड करें और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक बिल्कुल फ्री और अपनी सफलता की कहानी लिखें. लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. प्री एग्जाम ऐप स्मार्ट तैयारी का साथी.
point wise, I will keep on explaining. Point wise, I will keep on explaining. You try to understand. Geometric mean, geometric mean is the average. Geometric mean is the average which depends upon each and every observation. Geometric is the average which depends upon each and every observation. और ये मैं बोल रहा हूँ ऐसा नहीं है. You can see the formula. A geometric mean is the average which has considered all the values x2, x3 till xn. उसने बड़ा कोई भी वैल्यू अपना इग्नोर नहीं किया हुआ है. So you can say that geometric mean is the average which depends upon each and every observation. Apart from that, geometric mean is the average which can undergo for the further mathematical treatment. Geometric mean is the average which can undergo for the further mathematical. So when I say that it can undergo for the further mathematical treatment, so it implies that with respect to geometric mean, we can study about a combined geometric mean as well as what we weighted geometric mean. And after listening to these 2 points, we can draw a conclusion. We can draw the conclusion that geometric mean is considered to be as a good average. Geometric mean is considered to be as a good average. Direct नहीं बोला है बड़ा. Before drawing a conclusion, I have explained you what are the 2 points, and depending upon that 2 points, I have mentioned that why this geometric mean is considered to be as a good average. And now, after listening to this point, we can say that what you have studied up till now, they were being considered to be as the merits of studying geometric mean, and each and every student they should know for every advantages there are some disadvantages, and disadvantages of studying geometric mean is geometric mean is very complicated to calculate. Geometric mean is considered to be as complicated to calculate. अब मैं बोल रहा हूँ इसलिए तुम लोग ने मान लिया, ऐसा भी नहीं होना चाहिए. उसके पीछे भी बड़ा रीजन पता होना चाहिए कि सर व्हाई द geometric mean is considered to be as complicated to calculate, because the formula of geometric mean it comes under the root, and it is not only the root but it is the nth root. अब nth root means वो कोई भी हो सकता है. It can be the cube root, fifth root, sixth root, seventh root, nth root, ninth root, 10th root. हो सकता है कि नहीं हो सकता? हाँ, बोलने के लिए तो वो कोई भी रूट हो सकता है. बट व्हेन वी सी आवर कैलकुलेटर, तुम्हारे पास अगर कैलकुलेटर है तो सामने रखो प्लीज. कैलकुलेटर वो सामने रखो और चेक करो you people are using a normal, that means a standard calculator, and that calculator it has a limitations. That calculator it has a limitations. अच्छा बताओ what kind of limitations it has? In that calculator we have only one option which is called to be as square root. देखो बड़ा ध्यान से, तुम्हारे पास वहां पे सिर्फ एक ही ऑप्शन है, you can find a square root. But suppose if you want to find cube root, fifth root, sixth root, seventh root, ninth root, तो उसके लिए तुम्हारे पास कैलकुलेटर में कोई ऑप्शंस नहीं है, राइट? And because of that reason, this geometric mean is considered to be as complicated to calculate. Geometric mean cannot be represented graphically. Geometric mean it cannot be represented graphically. So these are some of the basic points that one should know for studying geometric mean. So with respect to the geometric mean, you can write down the key points. With respect to geometric mean, you can write down the key points. Key points means the important points, and that is write down point wise. Number one, geometric mean. Geometric mean is the average. Geometric mean is the average which depends upon which depends upon each and every observation. Next point is geometric mean can undergo geometric mean can undergo for the further mathematical treatment. Geometric mean can undergo for the further mathematical treatment. And in bracket, you can write down that is combined geometric mean and weighted geometric mean. Next point, geometric mean is considered to be as a good average. Geometric mean is considered to be as a good average. Next point, geometric mean is complicated to calculate. Geometric mean is complicated to calculate. Geometric mean geometric mean cannot be represented graphically. So now immediately there comes a doubt asking the question, is sir, if we cannot find the geometric mean by using our calculator, so in that case what we can do? So but in that case we can make the use of the logarithm. Logarithm. Math students might be aware about this term which is called as logarithm. For SP students, it will be a new term. What is logarithm? Logarithm is defined to be as a mathematical tool which is being used for solving complicated type of calculations in a simple form. Whenever we want to solve complicated type of calculations in a easier way, so we can make the use of logarithm. अच्छा, जिसने बड़ा ये लॉगरिथम चैप्टर ना पढ़ा हो तो वो बिल्कुल भी बड़ा अफसोस जाहिर ना करे, क्योंकि सीए फाउंडेशन में बड़ा मैथमेटिक्स में बड़ा तुम लोग को ये फर्स्ट टॉपिक पढ़ना है, रेशियो, प्रोपोर्शन, indices and logarithm. Correct? So whoever professor will teach this chapter will explain about the fundamentals of logarithm. Okay? Acha, opposite of logarithm, it is called to be as anti-logarithm. Opposite of logarithm is called to be as anti-logarithm. So here in this case, you can write down the heading as well by using log tables. Okay, write down by using log table by using log table. Okay, geometric mean geometric mean okay, which is equal to anti-log of